Wait, that's fire. The new set does look kind of fun to play,
Mm-hmm.
but at what cost? My brain cell.
No. Just put in. Get
No,
the God
I'm
King Darius.
good, bro. I'm good. I'm done.
Not even the cheat. Oh, what the hell?
My way
Pussy.
down.
Guy's bum plating.
Were you touched, babe?
Bunch of
I was
bums.
touched. I was touched.
You were touched unconsensually.
Oh, I'm killing this kid.
Oh, I fucked up.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Oh, I'm gonna cancel the guy's back. Pussy.
Starting bot.
Bitch. Bitch.
He's starting bot. Should I be crazy, guys? Thoughts? Thoughts?
Do it. Do
Someone's
it.
fighting top. They're fighting top.
It's the battle of the tanks.
Battle of the tanks.
Ah,
top.
this Teemo's here.
He lost.
You definitely lost.
Oh.
Oh, bro, I
Not
gave you last
another
pick for
shame.
that. Okay, love you.
It's okay. A strong Shen is better than a strong Ari.
True.
Defeating Ari.
I remember last time we got smoked out by Ari. It pissed me off. I ain't gonna lie. Bitch, eat some of that.
Hi.
Burn! Burn in hell! Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Devious steal.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm a little devious today.
Yeah, bitch. Eat that. Eat that.
Aish.
Just do your farming, bit. I'm gonna poke him.
Okay.
Do your farms. Bitch. Bitch. Oh, I seen you hit that too. Bitch. Bitch. Yeah, bitch. I'll farm this for you. Got you.
Okay, thank you.
Dang. I'll let him hit me. Don't care. It's your farm. But I'll talk about it. I get the big minion for you, don't worry.
Hey. You do that.
Come closer. There you go. Bitch. You like some of that, huh?
Yeah, eat some
Bitch.
of those. Oh, on the side, babe.
Which side? Just know he's hurt.
Yeah, he is. I need mana. Need a stock.
An ally has been slain.
Do you think?
Oh no.
Oh, no, this guy's actually cooked.
I'm coming bot. Keep him there.
Mhm.
There.
I'm jumping Teemo? Question mark.
Okay.
He flashed.
Oh, I hit him.
This guy right here?
Nice.
He's so hurt. Yup.
Nice.
Big.
My minions!
My minions!
Why? I'm just kidding.
Don't worry, guys. I'll come back to take those moments.
Oh, we have to kill these red fast.
Oh, fuck. You get the big boy?
Yeah. Thank you. Nice. Let's go. Oh, no, burn.
This body is just one of many.
Yeah, assert your dominance.
Get the fuck out of here. You think I can take that shit from me?
For real.
Tell him.
I am the fire that cleanses the world.
Brand is such a fucking power bitch. What the fuck is this?
He is.
Unnecessary. Nice.
Top's about to lose a fight again.
Oh fuck. Nice.
And towards drag gang.
Okay, gang.
Push.
Oh, my fucking ward isn't in the bush.
Baby.
Missed.
It's okay. You want them to see it, bro. It's a bait.
Okay.
Okay, we could probably jump bot again.
Okay.
How we feeling, chat?
They're backing up.
Tin top.
Oh, they see me, that's fine.
You get
I
the
have a
big
ward
boy?
in there.
Yeah, I can do one.
I'm closer.
I'm coming.
Oh, Shen's teleporting?
Oh, we got him.
Shen! Bitch! 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 Burn up! Burn it up! Fight me! Fight me! Oh!
Oh, what a hit!
Hey, what the fuck?
Oh,
Oh, nice kill.
hell.
Hey, kill him. Res me. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Talk about.
Am I gonna die to drag?
Not if I help you.
Nah, you'll be good. You'll be fine.
Also, Ari's nowhere to be seen.
Ah, she's not gonna come over here, that's for sure.
No
Surely.
shot, no shot.
Oh, she's...
Yeah, yeah. Perfect.
Whew. Oh, who is that?
The Vex.
Vex.
Oh. Oh, baby.
Bitch. Bitch, fuck
I'm
off.
gonna go, babe.
Bitch, fuck off. You wanna fight? Fight. Yeah. Burn.
Yeah.
Burn.
Just dodge.
Shut up, bitch. You wanna fight too? Little bitch ass boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't wanna fight this. You know who I am? Oh.
My bad. I thought you were gonna hit it.
Yeah. It's okay.
Missing that. Oh, he's right there.
I need to get a Blackfire torch. That's what I need to get.
I am the fire that cleanses the world.
Oh, I didn't buy a pink word. Oops. Oh, well.
Oh, good, oh, good.
ITP.
They're both still here. They didn't back.
Wow. Fresh for me, I guess.
Ow.
You guys want to fucking poke? Get some of that. Yeah.
Cane top. You could turn on him, but
Big one mine.
Yeah.
Hey, am I stunned, dummy? What are you doing? Who is this guy?
Unstoppable.
You can't contain me.
We're shoving his shit. Take a CS, bro.
yep. Take
me
everything
off.
from him. You don't deserve shit.
He had Kane in him. Instead of staying in my W, he just walked away.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
This insecure
Nice.
fuck.
Think any of these minions are yours? Are you crazy? bitch. Burn it up. Burn
Nice.
it up.
Should we be concerned?
Man.
Oh, yep.
Oh, hell.
You're
Big
afraid.
concern. Big concern!
Flash. Come on.
She wants your ass too.
Oh, come on.
Oof. Nice.
I thought it'd be close enough to tower so I could counter it.
Good.
Why is there a ward right here? What is this? Is he in my jungle?
Dominating.
Her too.
Oh.
Oh.
No, 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 no. Ch-ch-ch-ch-ch. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you're struggling, buddy. You're struggling.
Yeah!
Oh!
Lucky.
I got so cocky.
Taylor, you can go in on that. Oh, wait, never mind. It's just, or if it's just him, yeah, I'm with you.
Nice done. Oh my god, what a fucking disgusting ass CC chain.
Nice.
No! My kills.
Stop to the back.
We do so much to that little shit.
Yeah, we do.
I am the fire that cleanses the world.
Nice.
You had a chance to change your fate. Would ya?
Huh.
They're teleporting back in. I gotta head back. Right back a little more. Oh, wait a bit. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait a bit, guys. I can come. I'm coming.
Yeah.
I can dive.
Oh, yours.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
I'm here. They're being done.
Oh.
Nice! Oh no! I'm dead.
Ally has been slain.
Up on the
Poison?
damn shroom.
Oh, he canceled my shit. Well played.
I will die if I help you.
I'm dead.
An ally has been slain. Turret plating
You can see me.
fall.
I'm on a short fuse.
Oh, Ari. The fuck off that tower.
Going.
He's starting drag.
Fuck, I'm low.
I'm coming, Drag.
He wants to charm me.
Nice. You're so good.
Oh, she's so low.
Yeah, she's dead.
Oh, nice.
Oh, fuck. Bitch.
You have slain an enemy. An ally has
Where'd she go?
been slain. An enemy has been slain.
I'll cover your mid.
That's her.
Yeah, nice TP, dummy.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Is just one of many.
Shut down.
I am the fire that cleanses the world.
Yeah.
Don't ping me, bitch. I'm saving your tower.
There's a thingy right there, Bib.
Where?
Like wildfire.
Ari's coming too. She has first contact.
I was trying to steal it. I used my ult for it.
Hmm.
This
Loki, I'm
gets
going to
my-
let this Tomcat die.
They're stunned? Shen's stunned?
An ally has been slain.
Sorry.
You're good. I think I'm out.
Not out.
Oops.
I was looking at something.
I'm out.
Why is our Tom Kench actually Dookie?
That's what I'm saying. It's because we have like 4 of the best players in the world, and then like they have to like nerf us.
Alright. She hurts, Bib.
I heard.
You and her hurt.
I'm like lurking bot.
It's trimmed up. Care
It's okay.
about.
Shit, might try off this off instead.
No!
Oh, you fought without me?
No, she jumped me!
Oh shit.
Has been destroyed.
That cleanses the world.
You guys want to play games in that bush? Oh shit, Henry. I'm coming to you.
Oh, if I dodged that, I would have won. Unlucky.
Okay, come check my red, buddy. Ooh, a nice free red for... Just for you. Nope.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Ooh, our time tensions.
Nice.
Flashed away.
Go ahead, buddy. Chase. Chase. Chase!
Single does indeed do a lot more poison damage than I remembered.
He shits
Cool.
like twice as much now.
This man's in our jungle.
Nice dodge.
I may need some help.
I'll try my best.
Please! Oh my
Nice.
god. Oh, what the fuck?
The whole squad is here.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm fucked.
Oh.
Oh, I think that's it. Oh, they're actually going after me. Wow.
Wow, no drag?
Your turret has been destroyed.
Mm-mm.
You must throwing shrooms in the drag pit right now.
Can't stop.
Wait, what? Got me. So close.
We could kill Can.
Oh. Oh
No.
my god, that's a lot of damage. What the fuck?
Been slain.
A whole lot of damage. When Michelle to press R on only her.
I can't. She
Oh, yeah,
kills me
that's-
before every time.
Meow 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 meow.
I already took out 2 turrets. What the fuck?
We're heading towards drag. Do we give it up, gang?
Yeah, that's to get this one up.
I don't feel like it.
Then we kill him. I'm coming.
I'm coming. Yeah,
It's
it's fine.
Aria's cheeks. Bitch, I know when you're doing drag.
I am the fire that cleanses the world.
I don't want to throw an R on him and just let it do its work. I just might.
Oh my god, fuck me.
Oh. Alright, we get Shen out of it.
Oh, you guys didn't want to fight? I thought you guys were. Oh, fuck. I threw an R, they're all hurt.
No!
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Gotcha.
I'm dead.
Oh! He ate me, thank you! I knew you and I, Thomas Kedge!
Fuck the low.
Cry. I cry every time.
2 for 2 ain't too bad.
You can't contain me, summoner.
Do that, do this. Yeah, that's cool.
I'm on a short fuse.
Nice.
Oh, hell no. I'm gonna keep going. Okay.
I'm on the way. Yup. Got carried away.
Thank you, babe.
Mhm.
Oh my god. I'm coming, gang. I'm gonna hit it from the back politely.
Lightly. Meow.
Huh.
Oh, they're going after me. I'm fucked.
An enemy has been slain.
Both of them.
Tashiga, Kita.
You know. Nice.
I have ult. I'm committing.
Nice ult.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh,
Okay.
hell.
Sayonara.
Enemy double kill.
Bye Vex is eating good.
No.
Nice
fuck.
try, Ricky. You even knew he was there too. That's so fucked.
Damn, so close. All good. Got the turret.
You bitch.
This body is just one of many.
Where'd you go? There you are. In Timo Shroom.
That cleanses the world.
Who's up?
What the fuck? They were prepping this drag?
Kind of freaky like that.
They're just in the drag bush by themselves.
Shrooms are there.
They're chilling around drag, throwing it.
We got two on our end.
No, I hit the wrong target. I
I'm
hit
dead.
my wife.
Ally has been slain.
Did you get a shroom?
I don't know. I hit something that was on the ground. I don't think I hit either of them.
Enemy double kill.
Nice stun. That's a really good shutdown.
They're taking drag for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think they started it yet.
You can't contain me.
Yep, still full HP. They didn't even touch it.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
let's-
now they're touching it.
This one's for the people.
Oh
Grr.
fuck! Even Tom Kench is getting in his ass in there. 5, 4, 3, 2. Nice. Butter.
Okay, get out. Okay. Oh, I think I did get out. Oh, never mind.
Oh, this is an interesting fight.
Very interesting.
Oh, I'm fucking dead. Nice.
Oh,
Get the
Timo has
fucking
the...
Timo.
Oh,
Nice.
Fucking hell.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Fucking bitch.
Triple kill.
Came in for the swipe. Well, we got drag.
Nice deal. Nice deal.
Yep.
Once Tom Kench has more fucking magic resistant, we'll be fine. He's actually gonna be unkillable. He's gonna be like what we were last game.
Hopefully.
I'm completely undetectable. As we speak. Mink! Oh, you flashed. You knew you were struggling, bitch. Vex, Vex, Vex.
I see a Vex.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Rampage.
Don't worry about it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ari's coming.
I'm dead. Oh, or not. You. Nice.
No, let me ult, fuckers. Uh-oh.
Oh
Uh-oh.
my god, fucking Ari. Get him. This guy's waiting for a hot minute.
Nah, I don't care about that. I could have sworn Tom Kench is like one of those guys you don't fuck with. But this guy, they're fucking with him.
Yeah, he built wrong. He didn't need Thornmail to BH. There's only one guy that's the problem with Thornmail.
Quite literally, only one guy. Yeah.
I am the fire that cleanses the world.
Oh my
Oh,
god, they're
fuck.
Oh,
actually.
whoa.
Wait, that's so much people. I might be able to do something.
Yeah. Talk to him. I got double stun.
Nice. Nice.
Where's my fucking res?
He's done. He's done. What are you doing, Brad? Oh, what's this motherfucker doing? Oh, he got me.
Oh
off
my god,
track.
fucking Teemo.
He's not backing up for a while. I'll tell you that. Oh. All right.
Careful, I got shroomed.
He did walk through a whole barrel for me, so I'll give him that.
Okay. Yeah.
I will have to say this Kench is a eater.
Yeah, he ate me like 2 times to save me.
Yeah.
Another drag going.
Bet.
Here we go again.
Oh my god, TP. Shh. And another day, another steal.
Oh fuck. I'll go and use my ward over it if I can, or my ult.
After millennia, I am free.
Oh,
That's true.
Let's try.
What the fuck?
Nice.
Oh nice. You read the show. Great.
has been slain.
Oh, nice.
Fucking bitch. I'll take that.
Enemy killing spree.
Bloodthirster, bloodthirster.
I do some mean damage, but fuck, I die so fast. Build a guardian angel and say fuck it.
Bug it.
No, babe, don't run, run. Oh fuck.
It's too late for me.
Gosh, Tom Kench is on the way. Run to Tom Kench. Run to Tom Kench. What are you doing? You're running away from Tom Kench.
Okay. For you, Mish, you have a new rule. You can't pass this river unless you have a buddy. Yeah?
Yeah, that's for sure.
It's not even your fault. You'll literally just get one shot.
I don't know why I thought everyone was dead. Fucking delusional. What time
Ooh,
is
Vex.
it?
Vex in the river.
Oh fuck.
Vex
My
in the
buddy
river.
system.
I'm in the river.
Vex likes to sit in our jungle.
Yeah.
There she is.
Yep, speaking of. Vex. Oh, he fucking ulted. I'll take that. Take that to the fucking bank. I'm dead.
No, you're not.
Thank you.
Like wildfire.
Oh my gosh, she does so much.
I think they're going to Tom Kench. I might have to push this out.
Can't contain me, summoner.
Ooh, I dodged it. Oh, I might be dead.
Nah.
Alright, Tay, I baited you.
It's okay. They're so strong either way.
They're very strong.
Nice.
nice
Stack
blow.
it down.
Nice.
Everything hurt.
It's okay. Mistress back.
Fuck me.
Oh!
There you go.
That's GG's. That was a nice try.
That was an NT.
And I am tired.
Me too.
Same. GG's, y'all. That was fun.